Hello students, and welcome to Module 4. This is your Disaster Preparedness module, the role of the advanced population health nurse in disaster preparedness. So we're going to be working through some modules for this, some FEMA modules for this, because this is another one of your competencies that the advanced population health nurse needs to know about and be able to talk with your population about. And so what you're going to see is that Chapter 23 in your Stanhope and Lancaster text is going to be related to this content. Also, there's additional readings that you may have reviewed as well that are related to disaster preparedness and incident command. What you're going to need to do for this module, once you review through all the resources and go to your FEMA website, there's a link that is provided to your 3 modules that you're going to need to complete, but you do have to register with FEMA to take these modules and to print out a certificate. When you go to these sites here, to go to this FEMA course list and registration. And when you click on this, be sure that you're going to, you'll have to scroll through once you get in the FEMA website. And be sure that you are going through these 3 specific modules. There is IS 100.C, there's IS 200.B, and then there's IS 700.B. And they're all different things, but if you, you'll see that there's several IS 100s, there's some different ones that say 200. So be sure that it says this Introduction to the Incident Command System. The second one, it says ICS for Single Resources and Initial Action Incidents. And then the last one is an Introduction to the National Incident Management System. So all of these are need to be completed and submitted by the due date. You can look at the course calendar to complete those. And when you complete those, submit them, you'll see that they're each, it's just complete or not complete, but you do get a grade for this. So you need to get your full amount of points. This is a 100-point assignment. So they're 33.3 points apiece. So if you submit your certificate by the due date on each one of them, then you'll earn your 100 points. So you'll see down here at the bottom that there is a link, a submission link. So you'll just submit it, and your course faculty will review this and give you the points that are for this module. So I think you'll find these very interesting, especially with the disaster, for those of you that know of the disaster and things that have happened around JSU through following our tornado this year. So, whether it's a natural disaster or whether it's chemical disaster, whether it's terrorism, whatever it is, any kind of disaster can put patients or your community or your population in a state of need where they're having all kinds of issues. So if you have a population that has heart disease and then they're thrown into a disaster, then it's just really important for them to have resources that are available for them. So that's why these FEMA modules are so important for the advanced population health nurse to know about and understand. So I hope you'll enjoy those modules when you finish. Like I said, just please submit those, and then you'll earn your score for that. Thank you so much.